Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt here. I'm going to give you an update on my indoor kale. I planted this a while back and I planted it in a big tray so I could see how it turned out, and it turned out really nice. Let's take a look. Wanted to show you my indoor kale. This is how big it's gotten so far. Really nice. I love growing indoors because you don't have to worry about the bugs. It's a nice, got it growing up here. Just slide it in there. And yeah, it's growing real nice. This over here is my kale that's 2 years old, and you can see how much smaller it is. And that's because I planted it so close together. So yeah, but this is going real nice. I did plant a tray of red Russian kale there, just now starting to sprout. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Isn't that nice? Beautiful, beautiful. All right, well, there I got a gallon container full. Get those gallon containers at Dollar Tree. But anyways, I thin this out so they'll be able to grow back again. Love growing kale. Alrighty, that's my indoor kale. You can see I got a lot of other stuff growing back here. Got some carrots back here and a tomato plant, and got some cabbage up above, some beets. And over here I got some nice kohlrabi. Those are really looking nice. Gonna harvest those here real soon. Yeah, really like it.